The package of these sweet milky chocolates has almost the same dimensions as a box of colored pencils. Grab a packet of 24 colored pencils because it's deeper and take out all the pencils. This will be the perfect box for our milky chocolate. Put them in your colored pencils package, as many as you can possibly fit in. To cover this opening, print a picture of colored pencils and cut it out. Place it inside the chocolate box to cover the opening, making it possible to sneak chocolates to class. Honeybees are very important pollinators for flowers, fruits, and vegetables. This means that they help other plants grow. And what are honeybees most famous for? How smart, right? Delicious chocolates in a colored pencil box are a perfect pick-me-up treat during class. You can share them with your schoolmates or have them all for yourself. Whatever you do, just be careful so you don't get caught. Edible eraser? Of course, and super tasty too. Erasers come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Luckily, so does gummy candy and marshmallows. Have a look and try to find the perfect match. This white eraser looks really similar to the foamy candy square. Yep, I think we got a match. Pull the eraser out of the pink wrapper and push in the white candy square. It fits perfectly. Seems like it's our lucky day because we have space for one more piece of candy on the other side. Voila, our edible eraser looks just like a real one. Such a fun idea to sneak a delicious treat to class and a great opportunity to prank your classmates too. Their face expressions when seeing you eat your eraser will be priceless for sure. That's why it is a perfect treat to sneak in class. Here we have a bunch of small candy drops, Pop Rocks, Tic Tacs and other delicious treats. Take a marker and pull out the ink tube plus the tip. Wash it really well. Now choose your small candy of choice. Pop Rocks are such a fun and yummy treat, so I'm going for those. These come in a variety of different colors and today I'm feeling the blue one, which tastes like cotton candy. Open it up and pour these cool popping babies in the back of your marker. What's that noise? Open your mouth! Let's continue. I've already shown how to sneak an entire packet of Oreos to school, but since I love this so much, I found one more way to smuggle mini Oreos in class. Take a piece of long, slightly curved piece of wrapping or crafting paper like this one. Place a mini Oreo pot on top and start wrapping the paper around it by rolling the container forward. Open up this sweet box of goodness. Take a bunch of coloring pencils or other pens and stick them in our Oreo container. From teacher's perspective, this looks like a normal pencil pot, but you're able to snack on this goodness during lectures. How smart! They're just perfect for one bite and less messy but more sneaky, which is exactly what we want. This idea can be used for any other snacks and treats that are packaged in a pot, like the awesome jelly beans or nuts and dry fruits if you want a healthier alternative. So next time you're in a grocery store, take a look and see what pot packaged snacks you can find. Oh, these candy drops really remind me of my childhood. I used to adore them and I still do, so here's an amazing way to sneak them to school. Open up a notebook and grab an X-Acto knife. You want to basically cut off the bottom part of all the pages in the notebook while leaving the front and back covers intact. Doing this will give us plenty of space to sneak these candy drops to class. Simply stick them on with a bit of double-sided tape. Now that's a lot of these fruity little drops, right? Enough for you and all of your classmates. The fact that they come in so many delicious flavors is always exciting. With this hack, you'll have them always on hand whenever your sugar level drops too much during class. Who doesn't love those chewy, fruit-flavored toffee candy? They're so yum and we can sneak them in class right on our notebook cover. However, we need to choose the right color scheme. These bright-colored candies are very obvious on the rather pastel-y colored notebook. Let's switch them up for some pastel Starburst toffees instead. Stick the yummy sweets on the notebook using a bit of double-sided tape. And boom, the candy suddenly looks like it's a part of a notebook pattern. Pink and yellow wrappers are the same shade as the rainbows on the notebook, which creates a perfect camouflage. No one will notice that you're actually smuggling toffees on your notebook cover, especially from far away. And when you feel a bit hungry, just take your candy off the cover and pop one into your mouth. Sometimes a delicious fruity boost of energy is all we need in the middle of a long teacher's lesson. If you feel like having a chocolate instead of candy, no problem. Take a large thin coloring pencil case like this one. Remove all the coloring pencils and replace them with chocolate. But let's make this creation a bit more sneaky. Place coloring pencils on a flat surface close together and take a picture. Print the picture and cut it out with scissors so you end up with something like this. Place the printed coloring pencils on top of your chocolates and voila! We're ready to sneak them in class. You can of course put any kind of chocolate in this thin pencil case. We could literally fit a whole big chocolate bar in here. If you're a fan of Kinder chocolates, go for those. I love these small ones that come in a variety of different flavors, from strawberry to white chocolate, cookie, and so on. Just make sure to not eat it all at once. A small treat here and there is perfectly fine, but it should never replace your healthy and nutritious meals. Who doesn't love the crispy and tasty goldfish? I certainly do, so let's smuggle them to school. Take a pot of paper clips like this one and take all the clips out. Make a cylinder shape from a piece of paper and place it in the middle of the pot. Now take a bunch of paper clips and start throwing them inside the little opening between the edge of the container and the paper barrier. I have a lot of colorful clips, but of course you can use the simple metal ones as well. When there's plenty of paper clips all around the pot, you can go ahead and grab your favorite snack or candy. I picked loads of crunchy and delicious goldfish. Simply pop them in the middle of the container and they're ready to sneak to school. I am in love with this idea. But if you want a sweet treat, go for mini marshmallows, gummies, or even Smarties, Skittles, etc. Sky is the limit. Here I made another pot with push pins and I filled it with pretzels. I love them so much. Delish. The best part is that you can switch it up and sneak goldfish and pretzels to class one day and other snacks the next day in the same container. I'm talking about balanced diet. Just kidding. The good old Love Hearts, an iconic candy that is a favorite of so many people. Here's a super easy way to sneak it in class. Take an empty non-toxic glue stick and wash the container super duper well. Make sure it is completely clean before proceeding to the next step, which is filling the glue tube with a bunch of Love Hearts. When it's completely full, pop the lid back on and we're ready to go to school. This packaging is so much more convenient than the original Love Hearts wrapping, right? And since Love Hearts are white just like glue, there's no way anyone could suspect that you're actually carrying candy in your glue stick container. Pencils are a perfect school supply to store our sticky gum in class. Pull the eraser from the pencil and grab some gum. I'm using this one, which is pink, just like my pencil erasers. Unwrap it, and no, you can't chew it just yet. We're gonna transform it into edible eraser. Roll the gum into a little worm shape and push one end into the eraser opening. Cut away the excess gum and our gum eraser pencils are all done.